we're taking the coastal road. Yung dadaanan namin, first time ito. First time sasama sa ganitong klaseng trip. For this very expensive hobby, ha? Do not be like Tito Ang. Only Tito Ang because Tito Ang can afford. Watch your step. You're a senior citizen. Okay. Sabi ko, ito sana dito ka na lang. Pag masyadong malamig yan, maganda yung mga i-hat nila.
Dyan?
Oo.
Wala ko kasama.
Kasi sa Thursday, usually pag Thursdays dito nililinisan yung pool. They clean up the pool and they have flowing spring water. Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's dusk here at Amara farm and tingnan niyo sa likod, ganda yung mga accommodations nila dito. Well built yung mga TP houses nila dito, A-frame, typical A-frame yung TP houses, malalaki. So that means spacious and well ventilated yung kanilang bahay. Dito, mas medyo nature yung tunog dito. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, marinig mo. Yung tumutunog yung ng mga insects sa gabi. Yan maririnig mo dito. Typical nature talaga. And if you really want to relax, you really want to again attach yourself with nature, this is a good place to stay. Actually, hindi kami kumuha ng hut dito or ng A-frame house or any type of accommodation. Typical pa rin, we just stayed sa may parking lot kasi spacious naman yung parking lot, and then it's the weekdays, so walang tao dito. Kami lang talaga ngayon ang andito. As a matter of fact, yung pool bukas pa open kasi kakatapos lang ng linis today kasi it's a Thursday. So ayun, nag-car camping pa rin kami. Set up namin the usual, the typical dito. May space provided for car camping. We opt to stay na lang sa tent. Yun lang naman pa rin gusto mo lang enjoy dito, nature pa rin. So yun ang maganda. Basta ganitong klaseng mga campsites, meron silang accommodation, may facilities sila, meron silang mga amenities, but you can also experience yung raw na camping talaga. Yung gusto mong kalagitnaan ka ng as if nowhere. So abangan niyo hanggang matapos ang video na to. Bukas ng umaga siguro I'll be taking more videos, mga scenes dito, mga amenities. Baka may mga hindi pa namin napuntahan. Yan, I'll try to spend time tomorrow, and more drone videos rin pala tomorrow. So we will be preparing dinner na. See you later. So hi guys, good evening. We're preparing for dinner, and I'm here at a makeshift grill area. So first, you have to light the fire, and I'll tell you later kung ano yung lulutuin natin dito. So ayun, siguro mainit na yung ano natin, yung charcoal natin, ready na tayo mag-grill. So our meal, or what we'll be preparing for tonight, is a grilled pork bibimbap spare ribs. Ayan. So ang ginawa ko po is ganito, pre-cook na yung spare ribs natin. In pressure cooker ko with all the marinade, and what's left over of the marinade, actually I turned it, dinagdagan ko lang ng slurry, then yun na rin yung i-basting natin final sa spare ribs natin. So more of a barbecued type of grill yung spare ribs natin, matamis-tamis na medyo konting alat na a little bit of acid. Okay. So there we are. That's our finished product, our grilled bibimbap spare ribs. So on the side, nagluto naman si Plong ng ramen. Yan, Korean ramen. And salad. Oh, hindi na kumakain daw si Plong ng rice. Pumayat na si Plong. Hindi na kumakain ng rice. Ako, may bago kong diet. More rice. Thank you, Lord, for the provision. Thank you for the food that we're about to eat. Bless this food, Lord, for the nourishment of our body, Lord. Lord, thank you, Lord. Also, Lord, bless the hand to prepare this food. Salamat, Lord, mas sa protection pa dahil ni makatag mo tayo gabi.
Wala, just yun lang. Yun.
Dito ka oh. Dito pag dito ba ipatong imo ano. Dito ka maglisod. Kaya ba? Hinahangay!
Prepping for breakfast. What's that, Mom?
Smoke bangus.
Oh, nakikit na naman.
Yeah.
Well, hindi pa yan luto eh. I-ano mo muna kasi nakadikit na.
Paluto na yun siya actually. Iniinit mo lang yun siya.
Hindi kasi galing sa malamig. Kaya nakadikit. Ba't yun? So, I think this is the reason why this place is called Amara's Farm in Hidden Creek, is because of this creek that we see here right now, and the fresh water or the spring water that comes from this creek is actually the same water that's feeding the freshwater swimming pool here. So that's the pool area. Mind you, the creek that I've shown earlier, actually it's the same water source of this freshwater swimming pool. I believe it's non-chlorinated, just natural spring water coming from the creek. And that's the view from here sa kanilang resto area. Yan. It is a huge restaurant area. This is where we ate yesterday. As long as maaga ka magpabook siguro dito, which is I'm impressed kasi mabilis naman yung respond ng kanilang Facebook Messenger. Yeah. We booked our stay here, our car camping trip, through Messenger, through their page actually, Amara's Farm and Hidden Creek. And when we came here, buti na lang merong may staff na present nagluto. Again, this is the resto area. I think it could be doubled up as a sort of venue for like kung function, parang function, open function hall, events like birthdays, yan, seminars, pwede dito. So you also have a nature's view of the ridges, the hills, just beside of this property. If I'm not mistaken, according to the staff, this is a 7-hectare property. So, ayan, in the middle of mountain ridges here at Salumay. For day tours, they have these cottages here. Could house about probably 8 people. Just beside the resto area, within the pool area also. For day tour, kung hindi kayo mag-overnight, you could actually avail of their cottages. Maganda, malinis, tibay, well maintained. Good for 8 siguro to 10 people pwede. So ayan guys, I'm heading back up to the car campsite. Bumaba lang ako dito just to have a last tour, viewing of the amenities that we have here at Amara Farm and Hidden Hidden Creek. Okay, so ayan, hindi ko lang napakita kanina pero actually sa harap ko dito ngayon, they have meron din silang for tent pitching. Hindi kayo magka-car camping, pwede kayo mag-tent pitching dito. So the question that remains is, would I recommend this place? Definitely I would recommend this place, and I might come back here, probably spend more than one night car camping. And if you think that this place is good for car camping, yes, pwede, definitely pwede siya. And yun lang, my only key comment here is that yung parking space kasi nila, pag I presume na if ever weekends and then there are a lot of cars parking, you will not be able to avail for the car camping. And most of those who are actually going out on a holiday on a weekend, want to spend car camping, actually do it on a weekend. So yun, most probably siguro you do it on weekdays so that hindi siya siguro masyadong maraming tao. But I had a chance to chat with the staff here. Mabait naman yung staff dito, si Kuya Loloy, and then yung ibang staff rin. I had a chance to meet, I'm not sure if yun yung owner, but I think yun yung owner. Mabait naman, they're very accommodating, no? And if you look at it, yung place talaga has a lot of improvements, and they are not hindi siguro naman sila mag-stop pa is expansion and improving more. This is a 7-hectare property, so I bet there are still more improvements in the future. And I was hoping that maybe in the near future, nagsuggest ako sa kanila, and sabi ko yung lolo, if that could happen, pwede i-suggest niya rin daw kay sir, yung may-ari dito, na yung siguro mag-allocate na lang ng separate parking lot, and then yung existing ngayon na car camping area / parking lot, i-allocate as a dedicated car camping area na lang, no? Kasi if I'm going to look at it based on, let's say, a medium setup na car camping rig, siguro it would kasya siguro dito ang mga nasa mga, I think maximum of 6, masikip na rin yun. No? Kasi kung sasakyan lang, kung car parking lang, kaya dito kahit mga 12. Pero when you say car camping kasi, may mga extended rigs pa yan. Meron pang mga docking tents. Okay lang naman kung RTT kasi nasa taas lang naman yung rooftop tent. No? So it wouldn't occupy much space. Yung mga meron pang awnings, yun, mag-occupy yun ng more space. No? So, yun, probably 6 maximum in this area. So, it would be better, it would be a good suggestion if they would allocate a dedicated parking space separate from the car camping site. So yun lang. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Support naman dyan. Anyway, thank you pala. Shout out sa mga subscribers ko. I'm not able to mention your names individually, but I really ngayon lang ako makakapag-shout out and makakapag-thank you sa inyo. I do hope that you could also encourage other people to subscribe if they like my videos and they're interested in the things that I do, like car camping, drone piloting, and a lot of practical family life, cooking, ganun. Yun lang naman ang nasa mga videos, content ng videos ko. Okay, so salamat, and share nyo, convince yung ibang mga kasama, friends ninyo, mga family ninyo to also check my videos. Kuya Mac FAV on YouTube. Bye bye.